Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your paycheck budgeting with YNAB step by step clearly. Start by opening the YNAB app or logging into the YNAB website. Once logged in, navigate to your budget. Locate the current month's budget. Identify the paycheck category for this budgeting exercise. Click on the Add Income button. Enter the amount of your paycheck. Select the date of the paycheck. Confirm the source of income if prompted. Allocate portions of your paycheck to various budget categories. Start with essential expenses, such as rent and utilities. Move on to variable expenses, like groceries and entertainment. Consider adding savings to your budget categories, like emergency funds or vacation. Revisit your previous month's spending to ensure accurate allocations. Double-check each entry to avoid mistakes. Once satisfied with your allocations, click Save. Monitor your budget periodically to track spending against your allocations. Use YNAB's tools to adjust categories as needed throughout the month. Review your budget at the end of the month to learn from any discrepancies. Make notes on areas for improvement for the next month. Repeat the process for each paycheck to maintain an effective budgeting system. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.